Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 22 essay writing. So what is an essay? An essay is a written composition giving expression to one's personal ideas or opinions on some topic. This idea or thoughts could be about something real or factual in the world around us, or they could be imaginative or creative. In both cases, the writer's thoughts should be relevant and organized in a logical order. So, an essay is a form of writing. It is a written composition which is used to express one's personal feelings and opinions and idea on a particular topic. And this idea can be real or it can be facts related to the world around us, or they can be imaginative or creative. In both cases, writer's thoughts should be very relevant and it should be organized in a logical manner. Now, essay is divided into three main parts. So, essay is divided in three parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. So, in an introduction, it consists of a single paragraph that introduces the topic of an essay. It should be brief, to the point, and interesting, that it arouses the interest of the reader. So the introduction, it must be written in a single paragraph according to the topic of the essay, and it should be very brief, to the point, and it should be interesting so that the reader get interested in the topic and he starts reading the essay. Second part is body. It is the main part of the essay and comprises several paragraphs. Each paragraph deals with one aspect or one argument related to the essay. Each of these paragraphs should be linked with the other paragraph in order to ensure a smooth flow of the main idea of the essay. So, in a body, several paragraphs are present. Each paragraph should consist of ideas which should deal with each other paragraphs which are present in the body, and each of this paragraph, it should be linked with the other paragraph so that the idea which is conveyed in the essay should have a smooth flow in the essay. Third part is conclusion. It is also short, impressive, and to the point. It should end logically. So conclusion should be short, it should be impressive, and it should be to the point according to the topic, and it should always end logically. Now we will read about different types of essay. So essay are of three different types: descriptive essay, narrative essay, and imaginative essay. So what is a descriptive essay? Description of some place, person, or thing. So descriptive essays are those essays which describe any kind of place or which is describing a person or a thing. Narrative essay, some incident or series of an event is described. So narrative essays are those essays which describe about an event which has occurred in your locality or somewhere near you. Number third is imaginative essay. The writer imagines the feeling or event of someone else and describe it in his own word. So imaginative essays are those essays which describes a person's feeling or event about someone else, and the writer, it writes the essay in his own words. Now here are some examples of essay, which is deforestation, my aim, how I help my mother at home, summer holidays, friends or foe. So these are some of the examples of essay which is given in your book. So go through these essays. So today we have completed the chapter. You should go through these essays and also practice the essays on these following topics. So that's all for today. Thank you.